So we've got ourselves an Aprilia Tuono V4 factory as a development bike. It's a 2020 model. It's the last of the Euro 4 bikes. Anybody that's ridden one of these bikes knows they're absolutely sublime with their V4 1077cc engine, coupled with their RSV4 chassis and the Öhlins semi-active electronic suspension. They ride absolutely fantastically. In fact, they've won MCN's Super Naked Bike of the Year since 2015. However, it is a Euro 4 bike. That means that the fueling at part throttle and mid-range is going to be compromised. We know we're going to be able to improve it. We know we're going to be able to make it ride better. So the first thing that we do is we really get to know the bike. We've had this bike for about 3 months. We've ridden it, we've talked to other owners, and we've lived with it. The next thing we do is we extensively test it on the dyno. This lets us build up a picture of how Aprilia have set it up at the factory. All these runs will give us an extensive amount of data. We've got to go through the data now. Now it gets to the boring and the nerdy part. We build up a picture of how we're going to come up with a tuning strategy to improve this bike.